I'm growing clover not just for the flower, but for the leaf too. All of these pools all have red clover in them. This is first year that I planted them, so I didn't actually get any clover flower. Okay? I went and harvested my clover flower in different spots, in fields and meadows. A lot of people helped me and brought clover to me. So now I'm working on the leaves. Clover leaves are medicinal too, not just the flower. Great for an immunity, boost your immune system. Also good for menopause, same as the red clover flower. Not as powerful for menopause, but does help if you make a tea with these. So go get your clover leaf now. For instance, all the clover around here is pretty well gone. It's all gone to brown. But there's still lots of leaves, guys. So these are really, really powerful because it's the first year clover. So it didn't produce a flower. So all the medicinal value is in the clover leaf itself, because if it was to produce a flower, it takes a lot of value to produce that. So less value will be in the leaves. So where this one hasn't flowered at all, the leaves are perfect. So I'm going to dehydrate these and use them for medicines. I'll put a little list of what the clover does, the clover leaf, so you can see that it's not just the clover flower itself, also the leaves that are medicine.